and I made my whole salary in just 3 days. I quit my 9 to 5 and I changed my life. He helped me to change my life.
Today I'm going to show you how my client Marin made 1.2k in commission in 3 days with high ticket sales. So he made 1,200 euros, so it's 1.4k in dollars, in 3 days with remote high ticket sales, step by step. Maybe you watch the video with Ross, okay, the previous one, watch it. You're going to see same journey that Ross went through with me, same with Marin. You're going to see how actually it's really simple to succeed in sales. All you need to do is to follow the plan and do your 50%. Now, Marin reached out to me. We spent more than 30 minutes on the call. I mean, he reached out to me. I want to start, blah, blah, blah. We went on the call. See you tomorrow. Okay, beautiful. Guys, welcome our new member. Marin in the community, as usual. Nicholas and all the guys, welcome, welcome, welcome. So Marin is in the community. We made a plan and we immediately start executing the plan. One-on-one calls with me. Me and Marin was cracking one-on-one calls all the time because I see the hunger. I mean, you can see the Nicholas, because I said to Nicholas, the hungry killer I heard about. Marin was hungry from the beginning, okay? Minimum wage job. I want to make money with sales. I know I can, and I'm going to respect the plan. Now, I don't know how to say it, how grateful I am to be in your community. There is no words that can describe the feeling. God bless you and your family. Like, he saw the care that I had for him. Like, the care I want for you, Marin, to succeed. Okay, you are going to be my success story. Because guys, when you have a coach that cares about you, it's different level than have some bum putting you in the group with thousands of people and having one call group coaching. Doesn't make any sense. I was going with Marin one-on-one and group coaching calls and everything else that needs to be done. I need to rip twice a week, roleplay with these bees, the mensory. Marin is hungry, bro. I said him, you need to do this much roleplays, you need to correct these mistakes. We go one-on-one next week. I'm going to like give you the new inputs, and he just went through the process. Then, hey brother, I need a closer, and I know closers are the best. 10% commission trading offer, 3,000 euro package. Danilo reached out to me. Who I'm going to place? Of course, I'm going to place Marin. The feeling when you have 2 to 4 calls per day booked on your calendar. Marin start reaping like crazy. Calls on the calendar placed by me on the offer because he freaking deserve it. And I have the network that can give that to my clients. Marin, he sent me the picture before the call. Looking like a killer because the guys, the whole philosophy of sales for me, it's first of all with skill set and everything else, confidence. You need to leave first impression like a beast. Okay, you need to look like a beast, you need to carry yourself, you need to have status. Like, I didn't tell him go and fucking, like, I don't know, Loro Piana and buy the suit $5,000. No, go to Zara, purchase nice shirt, like, pay it, look good, look presentable. First impression is everything. Boom. Thanks to Dominic, yesterday I started a new offer and closed a $3,000 deal. Yesterday he started, tomorrow he closed his first deal. Another paid in full, okay? Yesterday, 3K deal, PIF. Today we have another one. Bro, crazy. He started to close from immediately because he had a good offer that I placed him on, and he had a good skill set because I've been on one-on-one with him, group coaching calls, role plays, and he just did the work. He was hungry. He followed the plan, and this is step-by-step results. Now, influencer reach out to Danilo, that reach out to me that they need a closer. Danilo, thank you for the Marin. He is the GOAT. So the influencer was so happy with Marin, and yeah, it's just like the killers I create in my community. Now, what happened exactly is this, okay? Marin had 6 calls booked in his first 3 days on the calendar. Marin closed 4 deals on $3,000 offer, 3,000 euro offer, okay? 10% commission, $300 x 4, it's $1,200 in 3 days worth of work. How much time you need to make 1.2k, 1.4k in dollars and 1.2k euros? Calls were around 40 to 50 minutes long, the closing calls. So he was actually working 5.5 hours in those 3 days. So This is the input, this is how much he made. Because you as a high ticket closer, you are working for a commission. You're not working for salary. You, the amount of work you put in, like the skill set you have and how good you are, it's going to represent your income. So in less time, you make more money. And this is exactly what Marin did. Now, this summer, he's enjoying with his beautiful couple. They're so beautiful. I don't know where he went. Like the guy, went crazy. Like he went with his beautiful fiance and him. Like they went on some holidays. He is enjoying his life. Amazing guy. Marin is just amazing guy. This is the freedom, bro. Thank you, Dominic, for everything. My beautiful bro. He's driving his beast. Now, do you see? Step by step. He joined one-on-one calls, group coaching calls, the plan, the structure that I created for him. He got placed by me. First call, deal closed. Influencer, super happy. The mat, and now his lifestyle. And now we are on the journey to reap. Like we are on the journey to go on $10,000 months. So if you're wondering, can you achieve this? You absolutely can, if you're going to put into work and follow the plan. I'm no special than you. Marin is no special than you. We just committed. We just did our 50%. And that's it, guys. So, if you want to work with me, one-on-one, same journey to go as Marin and get these kind of results, you have my Instagram in the bio. Reach out, let's talk, and I'm going to see are we good fit for each other. Guys, it's 2025. High ticket sales, it's crazy. It's crazy, okay? I love you all.